boys and girls. Today we're going to be seeing photosynthesis take place. Photosynthesis is a process of oxygen and carbon dioxide in plants. Now, some of you guys may not know this, but plants are living things, just like you and me. Now, we're going to be really good detectives because photosynthesis doesn't like to be seen. It's usually something that's invisible. So we're going to use our really good eyesight and we're going to look at an experiment where you can see photosynthesis take place in a plant. I want you to imagine what would happen if you hold your breath and then went underwater and then you just let your breath out. What do you think will happen to your breath? So I want you to think of your prediction right now. Remember, predictions start with I think. So I think, and then state what you think will happen to your breath. In this experiment, you're going to see what happens to a leaf when it does the same thing that you were thinking of, when it holds its breath underneath the water. But you're going to need a clear cup, anything where you can see what's inside. You're also going to need a rock, a small little rock. And you're going to have to go outside and pick out a leaf. It can't be a leaf that's already on the floor. It has to be a leaf that is on a plant. And then you're going to fill up your container with water. Don't fill it up all the way because then it'll overspill. But fill it up with water halfway. And then you're going to take your leaf, you're going to put it inside, and then you're going to take your small rock and put it on top of your leaf. And we're going to see what happens right now. And I did let it sit in the sun for a couple of hours and then came back and saw all these bubbles. So as the leaf releases its extra oxygen while it's underneath the water, you can see the oxygen as bubbles in the water. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see the little bubbles that are in the cup right now. So since oxygen is lighter than water, the bubbles will rise to the surface. I want you to look at all the bubbles that are in there, and you can start counting the bubbles. I want to show you the side view of it. So you can see a couple of them are on top of the leaf. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So all those bubbles are oxygen that you breathe in. So plants give you oxygen and you give them carbon dioxide. Goodbye, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this experiment and you should try it at home with other things, maybe even a flower petal to see how it goes, and then let me know how that went. Bye, miss you guys, and see you guys next time.